Okay, class, in our last video we covered the distributive property, which means whenever something is on the outside of a parentheses or a bracket, you multiply it by everything inside. But what if we have two sets of parentheses with multiple distribute? Which one do you think we're going to do first? So think about it. If you want to write this down and try it working out a couple ways. Pause the video, and then when you're ready, push play. Alright, so my recommendation is that we go inside out. Just like if we had regular order of operations with no variables, do this parentheses first and then do this inside the brackets and then multiply it all by 4. We're going to do those steps even when we have letters. So let's start with this 5 and distribute it out times the 3x and times the negative 2. 5 times 3x is 15x. 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. Now once we distribute, those parentheses go away, and all we have left is the brackets behind it. Now, going through our steps, we could distribute again, or we could combine like terms since these are inside parentheses. I'm going to go ahead and combine like terms because the less numbers I got to multiply, the less chance I'll make an error. So I've got 4 and minus 10. That's going to give me negative 6 plus 15x. All I did was combine those two. And now I'm going to distribute with the last one. So 3 times negative 6 is negative 18. And then 3 times 15x is going to be 45x. So when you're looking through problems like this, I want you to start out by distributing inside and then work your way to the outside. Now I'm going to post a challenge problem and I want you to try it and then check your answer. Alright guys, this one is going to be your challenge problem. I want you to try working this out either on a piece of paper, whiteboard, whatever you got at home. And then go ahead and pause the video here and I'll go through step by steps. So write this down, then pause it. Oh, I'm sorry, I left out a sign. Write this down, then pause it, and work it on your own, and I'm going to work it out in a few minutes. Okay, if you haven't worked it out, put this video on pause. If you have, here we go. I'm going to start on the inside, distribute inside first. 2 times 2x is 4x. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. I can drop that inside the parentheses, and all I have left is the brackets now. Now from here, yes, I could distribute immediately right now, or I could combine like terms and distribute next. Either way, you'll get the same answer. I'm going to go ahead and combine like terms. Get 9x minus 8. And now I'm going to distribute one more time. 3 times 9 is 27, so it's 27x minus 3 times 8, which is 24, equals 30. Now it's just like any two-step equation. Move your numbers on one side, and then get rid of your number with x. And then what we can do when we get our final answer is go back and plug it in. So 3 bracket 5, and then instead of x, I'm going to put in 2 plus 2, open parentheses, 2, instead instead of x, I'm going to put 2. And then minus 4, and it should come out to 30. Now I'm just going to go through and solve it. Order of operations in our calculator. 4 minus 4 plus, and that's 10. 2 times 4 minus 4, which is 0, is going to be 0. So this all cancels out, and we just get 3 bracket 10 equals 30. 3 times 10 is 30, so 30 equals 30, and it does check out. Alright guys, we're going to finish the notes.